Hello everyone, my name is Rainier Manongsong and I'm here in front of you discussing what is the meaning of ethics based on my knowledge or opinions about it. For me, ethics is a philosophical studies about moralities and how an individual create their own decision is either right and wrong, good or bad, and how an individual act according to their morality. For me po, ethic is like ano po, creating yourself towards to others and gaining others trust back to you. Ganun po. Ang ethics po is like guidance or gabay natin sa pag-create ng decisions. Kung tayo po ay gagawa ng tama, mali, or masama, or mabuti. Yun po ang ginagawa ng ethics. Another than that, ang ethics po is nagbo-boost rin po siya ng self-awareness. Like, if you have, like, ano po, sa awareness po is like, yun po, may, kuwari po, ito example, lagyan po sa example, may kaklase ka po nangangailangan. So, aware ka na nangangailangan siya ng something like money, things, or attention. Ang gagawin mo naman po, dahil may morality ka and na-understand mo yung ethics, ang gagawin mo naman po is raramayan mo siya or tutulungan. And an addition po, ang ethics po is nagdadagdag rin po sa atin na what we call personal fulfillment. Ang personal fulfillment po is like, kuwari po, ako is nakagawa ng mabuti sa kapwa ko. Sa sarili ko po, proud po ako nun na nakagawa ko ng mabuti. Yun po yung tinutulong ng ethics para sa atin po.